Simple, compact, at super convenient for quick touch-up. Imagine your favorite scent in a tiny balm form. Easy to carry and easy to apply. Here's what you need. 1 tablespoon petroleum jelly, Vaseline. Ito ang magiging base ng balm. It's give a mixture a soft, spreadable texture and help reduce moisture loss from the skin. A small amount of face powder. Konti lang, just enough to help adjust the texture. No need to add too much. Skin perfume. Ito naman ang nagbibigay ng fragrance. Make sure na ang perfume or fragrance ay instant for use on skin. Start by placing the petroleum jelly in a clean bowl. Then, add powder little by little and mix until smooth. Now, add your skin perfume. Mix everything thoroughly and check the consistency. Huwag biglain ang pagdagdag ng liquid. Konti-konti lang para hindi maging sobrang runny ang balm. Once ready, take a tiny amount and gently apply it onto your pulse point. Wrist, behind the ears, neck. Dab gently, no need to rub aggressively. And because it comes in a tiny container, perfect siyang ilagay sa bag or quick perfume touch-up anytime. What I like about this idea, it's a convenience. Petroleum jelly creates a occlusive layer so the fragrance may stay noticeable longer compared with applying perfume to very dry bare skin. But let's be realistic. Hindi guarantee na buong araw itong tatagal. Depende pa rin sa perfume skin type at kung gaano karami ang ginagamit. For me, the biggest advantage is a simple, maliit, affordable, easy to apply, and no need to carry the whole perfume bottle.